So the whole goal of our journey at Kids Connection is to get our graduates ready for middle school. And that starts as young as 2 years old, as they come into kindergarten and go all the way into 5th grade.
Kids Connection has an amazing specialist class program that all students participate in on a weekly basis. Students will transition out of their grade level classroom to PE, Spanish class, music and movement, and computers and makerspace. Our computers and makerspace class is engaging and project-based, where students are learning PowerPoint presentations and animation, and also able to bring in recyclable projects to make robots and just build and construct and ideate and create, and even have the opportunity to fail and try again.
So one of the most important parts of this time in the child's development is to build themselves as independent learners. So when they're in the preschool ages, they're still, really close with their families and they're learning basic skills. And when they come into kindergarten, now we're going to learn to teach them to start doing some of those things on their own. So we start by making them confident, showing them opportunities to speak in front of class and what it means to do things in multiple different ways, and slowly and methodically build that independence as they continue through their journey.
At Kids Connection Elementary, we're really proud of the fact that we have multiple opportunities for parents and guardians to come to school, to celebrate with their kids, to join in the celebration of learning evening, and to volunteer in the classroom. And actually, research shows that when a parent is involved in the life of a child at school, that the child actually has better success both academically and social emotionally.
I feel like the balance of social and emotional growth is well-rounded. Both of our kids felt nurtured and cared for. At the same time, they felt that there was a structure and responsibilities that they had to carry out throughout the day themselves.
I really enjoy Kids Connection, pushing the boundaries. Some of the things that the school really, talks about is not only about academics, but also about how you become, confident, you become a leader, right? And how to voice your opinions. Those are all really important aspects of growth for us.
Kids Connection students are absolutely prepared for the next step, which is middle school. And we've learned from the heads of school at the middle schools that they love Kids Connection students. And a few reasons why this is the case is because our students are confident and poised and independent learners, and they know what they need to succeed at the next level and in the years beyond.
Whoever your oldest age group is on campus are going to become the natural leaders. And this is an opportunity for students much younger than they might see in a K-12 or K-8 environment, where kids as young as 10 are getting opportunities to lead.
This empowers our 5th graders to become leaders as they're getting ready for middle school. This program also allows our younger students to have older role models to look up to, not just with their academic needs, but also maybe with their social needs throughout the school year.
When our students graduate from 5th grade, they're ready to take on everything that life throws at them, and they're ready to leave here and fly into the world and see where it takes them.